Hi, let us now study multiplication of fractions. In multiplication of fractions, we simply multiply the numerator to the numerator and the denominator to the denominator. In here we have 3/4 times 1/2. 3 times 1 is 3. And 4 times 2 is 8. So 3/4 times 1/2 is equal to 3/8. We have here 1/3 times 2/5. 1 times 2 is 2. And then 3 times 5 is 15. Okay? So 1/3 times 2/5 is 2/15. -5/6 times 2/3. Unlike signs, the answer will be negative. Okay? So, we have here 5/6 times 2/3. But 6 is divisible by 2. And this will become 1 and this will become 3. -5 times 1 is -5. And 3 times 3 is 9. Okay. So, -5/6 times 2/3 is equal to -5/9. -6/5 times -10/3. They are both negative. The answer is positive. Then, we have here 10 and 5, but 10 is divisible by 5. 10 will become 2 and 5 will become 1. But 6 is divisible by 3. So, this will become 1 and this will become 2. Okay? So, 2 times 2 is 4. And 1 times 1 is 1. Okay? They are both negative. The answer is positive. Can you follow? Okay. 4/1 is the same as 4. Okay? Now we have 9/2 times -4/3. But 4 is divisible by 2. This will become 2 and 2 will become 1. 9 is also divisible by 3. So this will become 1. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. Then we have 3 times -2 is -6. 1 times 1 is 1. -6/1 is the same as -6. Okay? Now we have -8/3 times 15/2. Okay? 15 divided by 3 is 5. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Then we have -4 times 5 is -20 over 1 times 1 is 1. And -20/1 is equal to -20. I hope you got it. Thank you. Hi, let us now study division of fractions. In division of fractions, we need to invert the denominator and multiply to the numerator. If we have here 3/4 divided by 1/2 written in this way, we need to invert the denominator and multiply to the numerator. Instead of doing that, we simply multiply this. 2 times 3 is 6. And 1 times 4 is 4. 3/4 divided by 1/2 is 6/4. Lowest term is 3/2. Okay? Now we have 2/5 divided by 2/3. Invert the denominator and multiply to the numerator. At this time, we simply multiply 3 to 2 and that is 6. 2 times 5 is 10. Lowest term of 6/10 is 3/5. Okay? Now we have here -4/5 divided by 1/3. Unlike signs, the answer is negative. So we have here 3 times negative 4, the answer is negative 12. Okay? 1 times 5 is 5. So we have negative 12 over 5. Okay? Now we have negative 1/2 divided by negative 2/3. Okay, invert the denominator and multiply to the numerator. So instead of having negative 2/3, we have now negative 1/2. Inverting the denominator becomes negative 3/2. And that will be negative 1 times negative 3 is positive 3. And 2 times 2 is 4. Therefore, negative 1/2 divided by negative 2/3, the answer is positive 3/4. Okay? Now we have 5 over 6 divided by negative 5 over 2. We may rewrite this as 5 over 6 times, invert this, will become negative 2/5. Okay? 5 and 5 cancelled. Okay? 6 and 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay? So the answer will be 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. And 3 times 1 is 3. Therefore, the answer is negative 1/3. Can you follow? Thank you.